How to withdraw money from Z-League. The first things first is open up and then log into your account with the Z-League app. And before you do withdraw a specific amount that you have from Z-League, is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the Z-League application. Just head directly to your Play Store and you should be able to know if your Z-League needs an updating because there's going to be an update button that's visible. So you just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. So once you're logged in, all you have to do for you to be able to check your balance is from the upper right hand corner of your screen, which is going to be located on your profile picture. Just simply tap on that. Then you'll just have to be patient because this certain application has a lot of tons of ads that can be presenting of any option that you will tap. So once you're here, this is going to be your total balance, your playable balance, your deposited balance, and your withdrawal balance. For you to be able to withdraw the money, is just go to transactions. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to input your current email address that is associated with your Zelig account and fill out those necessary informations till you get to the payment method in which or where you would like to withdraw the money from. So that's it. That's how quick you can withdraw money from Zelig.